Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 12 question on chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So friends, this chapter is very much important. So please go through this question seriously. Question 1. The outermost wall layer of microsporangium in anther is first A. Endothecium, B. tapetum, C. medulla, D. epididymis. The outermost wall layer of microsporangium is anther and the answer for this question is D, that is epidermis. Question second. Which of the following perform microsporogenesis? A. Microspore mother cell, B. Pollen mother cell, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Which of the following perform microsporogenesis? And the answer for this question is C, that is both A and B, that is microspore mother cell and pollen mother cell. Question third. Pollen grains have ability to tolerate extreme temperature because of the presence of A. Sporopollenin, B. Suberin, C. Cubin, D. Callose. Pollen grains have ability to tolerate extreme temperature because of the presence of, and the answer for this question is A, that is sporopollenin. Question 4th. The sporopollenin is non-degradable because A. It can withstand strong acid, B. It is resistant at very high temperature, C. Non-enzyme degrade it, D. All of the above. The sporopollenin is non-degradable because, and the answer for this question is D, that is all of the above. Question 5th. Intine is made up of A. Cellulose, B. Pectin, C. Both A and B, D. Protein. Intine is made up of, and the answer for this question is C, that is both A and B. Intine is made up of cellulose and pectin. Question 6th. Autogamy stands for A. Self-pollination in same flower, B. Self-pollination in different flower, C. Pollination in two flowers, D. Division in embryo. Autogamy stands for, and the answer for this question is A, that is self-pollination in same flower. Question 7. Example of autogamy oblique self-pollination is are A. Chasmogamous flowers, B. Clistogamous flower, C. Zytogamy, D. Both A and B. Example of autogamy self-pollination is are, and the answer for this question is D, that is both A and B, that is chasmogamous flower and clistogamous flower. Answer D is correct. Question 8. Clistogamous flowers are strictly autogamous because they remain A. Always open, B. Always closed, C. Always fragrance, D. Are brightly colored. Clistogamous flowers are strictly autogamous because they remain, and the answer for this question is B, that is always closed. Question 9. In angiosperm, pollen tube liberate the male gametes into the A. Central cell, B. Antipodal cell, C. Egg cell, D. synergid. In angiosperm, pollen tube liberate their male gametes into the, and the answer for this question is D, that is synergid. Question 10. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of A. Pea, B. Maize, C. Coconut, D. Castor. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryo in the seed of, and the answer for this question is A, that is pea. Question 11. Out of the following, choose the post-fertilization event. A. Endospermatogenesis, B. Embryogenesis, C. Both A and B, D. Organogenesis. Out of the following, choose the post-fertilization event, and the answer for the 11th question is C, that is both A and B. Coconut water. Question 12. Coconut water from a tender coconut is A. Immature embryo, B. Free nuclear endosperm, C. Innermost layer of the seed coat, D. Degenerated nucellus. Coconut water from the tender coconut is, and the answer for this question is B, that is free nuclear endosperm. And thank you friends for watching Need Prefer Biology by AJ. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe with your friends, relatives and other people. Keep safe at home, take care of yourself, keep smiling. Bye bye.